Hi friends, let me show you this HEYINCAR CarPlay adapter, wireless CarPlay adapter. You can use it with iOS or Android phones. And it's so useful because instead of having a long cord in your car to connect your phone, this is a wireless connector, so it's really convenient. It comes with a standard USB-A port connector, but if your car has a USB-C connector, you can use this adapter and connect it to the USB-C port. So you won't need any cords to connect your phone. With this, it will be wireless. Let's try it. So now we are going to try it in our car. It's so easy. We are not going to use the USB-C adapter because this car has a USB-A port. So we're just going to connect it directly. It will ask us to connect it through our Bluetooth function, okay? So we are going to go to our phone's Bluetooth option. You want to turn it on and off and on, so it will read it. And it will look for the auto link 2653, and that's it. You will accept the connection, and in a few seconds, for the first time only, you will have to do this. That's it. You have your CarPlay content there, and you will be able to use your Apple Music, your YouTube Music, podcasts, and maybe your maps like Waze. If you are traveling somewhere, all the content is in your car's CarPlay display, but without using any cords. It's wirelessly connected, and once you do it the first time, your phone will connect to your car's CarPlay adapter automatically every time you turn your car on. So it's so convenient. You can have your phone anywhere. You don't have to be using cables. You can get rid of them, and you still have your CarPlay's content in your car's display. So if you want to look at your CarPlay's content in your car without the cables, really convenient, this is the way to do it. Thank you.